Hey, my name is Seth. I have been a student of Josh and Marty's for a couple years with a different business model, had a ton of success with them. I started with crypto about a year ago. Just listening to Josh and Marty and the things they had to say helped me out tremendously, pretty much got me going from knowing zero knowledge to being very proficient, having a good portfolio, and growing my portfolio. So if you're interested in what Josh and Marty are doing with the crypto cash flow, 100% recommend it. Dive in. These are great dudes.
Hey, how's it going, everybody? It's Rodney here, and I just want to give a huge shout out to my boys Marty and Josh for putting this crypto cash flow program together. Honestly, got into the space about 2 years ago and everything, and honestly just started learning everything from Marty and Josh, and it's to the point that, you know, got in on a couple of calls, just constantly learning from them guys, and they actually knew what they were talking about. It's to the point where everything that they was calling was just winning. You know, it was just an awesome experience, got to learn, got wins and everything. So just want to thank you guys for putting this together, and I just can't wait to just see the massive success with this.
Hi, if you're watching this video, it's probably because you're wondering, is crypto cash flow for me? Well, my name is Samuel Abinsinguza. I'm a singer-songwriter and music producer, and I hope that the insights I give you, my personal insights, help you to make that decision. A few months ago, I decided to jump into the crypto space and begin navigating and you see, also get exposed to this new world, this new economy that is emerging. And I quickly realized that this crypto and NFT space is very segmented. What I mean is, it is not easy to find the information you need in one space, in one area. It is even difficult for a new beginner to just know how to buy crypto, because there are many tools, there are many website exchanges, and you don't even know which one is which. That was my observation, and it scared me from getting started. One of the things that crypto cash flow provides is a one-stop where you can learn how to navigate your journey in the crypto and NFT space successfully, limiting mistakes. That is a very valuable thing that I have found. And secondly is that crypto as well as NFTs, this new space is a very interesting space, because there are many scammers ready, waiting to eat your lunch and even take the lunchbox with them. There are many scammers just because this space is not as regulated as the traditional space of banking and finance. There are people waiting and ready to eat your money, to put it in the right words. What crypto cash flow gives us is a unique source of information to know how to safeguard your crypto, as well as safeguard yourself from these scammers, to make sure that they don't steal your assets. And not only that, Josh and Marty give us the tools that they have put to the test that they use to safeguard their own crypto. And I don't mean crypto in just hundreds of dollars. These guys have been able to build and be in the market to be able to transact and do business in hundreds of thousands, if not millions of dollars doing crypto. So we are learning from experts, and I really like that. But finally, I have realized that when it comes to this crypto space, the early bird eats the worm. And what I mean by that is, you really have to know opportunities early enough to be able to take advantage of them. What Josh and Marty are doing for us is to be able to let us in on what it takes to know these opportunities, to do market research on coins, as well as NFTs, on different assets, and know how to take a decision that can end up bringing you very valuable returns. So I really like that about the course. And but the biggest thing that you will learn from the get-go is the idea of being your own bank. Marty and Josh use this statement that if you don't own the private key, you don't own your crypto. Until I had that, I had never purchased a hard wallet to be able to secure my crypto and become my own bank. In fact, at the time of recording this video, I just purchased my own hardware wallet to make sure that when I continue investing in crypto, I am securing my crypto, I am keeping it, I am becoming my own bank, which is a very valuable lesson. Instead of relying on exchanges to take care of business for you, to take care of your crypto, to keep your crypto. If they keep it, then it's theirs. If you don't own the private key, that crypto baby is not yours. So come join us, let's learn together. These guys are thrilling in their teaching as well as hands-on. These are things they're testing on a daily basis and giving us insights as they do them. So I am confident that you will learn and together we can change our lives. Hey, it's Sammy Smiles. Thank you for watching this. Goodbye.